maybe you'll get mad enough to do something about it.
Fact. This year in Canada, up to 40,000 youth will experience homelessness.
Fact. Tonight, more than 6,000 of them will sleep on the streets.
Fact. In a society with so much wealth,
this doesn't make sense. Why do we fail to lift people up? Why do we feel ashamed?
Why do we hoard decency when so many starve to be seen?
Homelessness is a beast that will chase you down the street, whose very presence strikes fear into every person who thinks, thank God that's not me.
Is it above us to stop, say hello?
To treat people as people, get lost through their eyes into the sea of their souls.
Then you'd realize that they ride the waves of life just like you and I.
Their stomachs still grumble when hungry.
Their bones still shiver when cold.
Their flesh still bleeds red.
The reason society won't see them is because we
swallowed our shame and named it homelessness. We need to shed our warm blankets, walk a mile in the cold with those who call the streets their home.
We'll see they're not mirrors for what should have been.
They're people
with their own scars and reflections.
Fact. We'll all sleep in our soft beds tonight. Fact.
Outside the ledge, folks will dream on the concrete steps.
Fact. Housing is a basic human right. And we're all humans, right?